Hey everyone, if you're here about starting a brand, I feel your pain. I'm in the same boat, and honestly, building something out of nothing is way too much work. Lucky for us though, artificial intelligence exists. Let's make AI do the heavy lifting. Here is a Chat GPT guide that will help you create a brand that stands out. Okay, before we do anything fun, we have to figure out who the heck would actually buy our stuff. I don't particularly care about customers, but we gotta play the game. AI can help us make a basic customer profile so we know who to target. You'll need to give him this information Chat GPT to give you accurate answers, so have it handy to copy-paste into this prompt. It's very simple. When you see these brackets, just fill in the information I mentioned, and Chat GPT will do everything for you. The information you need for this first section is product function industry. Now, write this prompt. Develop a detailed ideal customer profile for our product. Include demographic information, interests, pain points, purchasing habits, and media consumption. This persona will guide poor targeted marketing efforts and content creation. You got it? Okay, let's move on to the next point. The worst part. What makes your product different from a million others? No one cares, but we gotta try. Let's see if AI can help us spin this procrastination app into something supposedly unique. For this section, you will need to give this information to Chat GPT. Product name and function pain points. Target audience. Here is the next prompt. Provide 5 unique slogan ideas for product that emphasize features that would increase customer satisfaction for target audience and how it can reduce pain points. Now choose the one that sounds the most appealing and let's move on. Apparently, people need a backstory before they'll spend money. Can I just lie? Guess not. Well, AI, this is your chance to get sappy. The information you need is brand story, product name, and function pain points. Tackled target audience company values. I know, it's a lot of text, but it's necessary if you really want to stand out and have a story that will catch clients. Don't forget to use words like innovation to sound fancy. Once you have it, fill in the brackets at this prompt. Craft a compelling narrative about the origins of product. Highlight its unique features, the passion behind its creation, and how it solves a specific problem for its target audience. The story should evoke emotions and connect deeply with the values and aspirations of target audience. Well, your brand is taking shape. Now the fun part, brainwashing people online. I despise social media, but I bet AI could come up with something decent. Help me make some funny posts about this app, Chat GPT. Keep it short. People aren't exactly reading on there. For this part, you only need target audience uses for product. Now write the following prompt. Develop a comprehensive social media campaign for product. Include A, the uses for product, catchy hashtag, a series of engaging posts for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and ideas for user-generated content that encourages interaction and sharing. Focus on visual storytelling and community engagement. And we can't forget about everyone's favorite, spam. Email marketing. You will need it if you are launching a new product. Let's try getting AI to make these sound somewhat appealing. Chat GPT. I want people to think they're signing up for something cool, not an advertisement disguised as a friendly message. Give him this information to see if he can pull that off. Target audience pain points tackled. Acceptable offer type. For example, 20% off for 3 days or something like this. Uses for product. Now type the following prompt. Create an email marketing series for product launch. This product will uses for product and pain points tackled. The first email should introduce the product, the second should detail its unique selling points, and the third should include a limited time offer with clear call to action. The introductory offer is acceptable offer type. Ensure the tone is persuasive and informative. Alright, we essentially have a brand. Will it get us on a yacht? Probably not. Will it stop us from actually, doing the work? Also no. The only one that can take that job away from you is a digital marketing agency, and even better if it specializes in artificial intelligence. Felix Media does just that. Wow. So, if you're looking for someone else to do the work for you, just click on the link in the description and let us take care of all the marketing stuff so you can concentrate on selling and developing new products. Oh, and subscribe for more whatever this is. See ya.